Ever wondered how to make a fresh blackberry cobbler in a new style? Well, today we're going to explore just that. We'll be venturing into the delightful realm of baking, using plump, juicy blackberries to give a modern twist to a classic dessert. Stay tuned to discover an innovative way of baking your favorite dessert. Gather your weapons, the ingredients to conquer this recipe. We're talking about fresh blackberries, sweet sugar, fine flour, and trusty baking powder. Don't forget the salt, a splash of milk, and a good knob of butter. Now, for the secret weapon, a hint of lemon zest. This unexpected twist will elevate your cobbler to new heights, adding a zesty brightness that cuts through the sweetness. Got everything? Perfect. Now, onto the battlefield, the kitchen. The kitchen is your stage, and you are the star. Ready to perform? We start by preheating the oven and buttering our baking dish. This will ensure that our cobbler doesn't stick and comes out easily. Now, we wake up our blackberries by mixing them with sugar and lemon zest. This will bring out their natural sweetness and a hint of citrus. We set this aside to let the flavors mingle. Next, we move on to our batter. It's a simple mix of flour, sugar, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and milk. This batter is what's going to give our cobbler its pillowy softness. We pour this batter into our buttered dish, followed by our blackberry mixture. Slide the dish into the oven and let the magic happen. The aroma wafting from the oven is a sign of your victory. Bake your cobbler until it's golden brown, a hue that speaks of perfection. Serve it while it's warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a delightful contrast. This new style stands out for its emphasis on the freshness of the blackberries, while the hint of lemon zest brings a refreshing twist to this classic dessert. Relish every spoonful of your homemade fresh blackberry cobbler. Until next time, keep experimenting and keep cooking.